G'day gang, Sky Pilot here with another crazy unboxing Thursday for you. Let's crack on into it. I've been waiting for this baby. Out with the old and in with the new. So if you guys have seen my previous videos, there's a couple up there for you, right there. You'll see I'm using the 5.8 gig Artifact by the G10s. This is a ripper little addition to your outfit. You can wear it as a watch, or as you can see, I've just got a laser printed holder and it's holding on to my control unit. So it's a nice little handy screen. This is great for doing some on-the-go calibrating or just to see what your FPV looks like. So yeah, really handy. So why have I got another one, you may ask? Well, let's open it up and have a look, shall we? I have my trusty scales, so the entire package weighing in at exactly 170 grams. You can see they're pretty much identical in dimensions looking at the face of it. Eachine G10, however, the Eachine is slightly thicker pull-out antennas, which are both pretty much exactly the same as well. 45.36 grams compared to 37.28 grams. So what's in the parcel besides the watch? 2 cables, a bit of sticky velcro, very comprehensive looking instruction booklet. All this gear, guys, is in my description.
Follow the links below, banggood.com, in case you are wondering. So a couple of cables, we have not one, 2 cables.
So obviously the USB charging cable. This is an AV cable, so into the USB and it would automatically recognize it as this type of cable playing on your larger device. You might be saying, well, what's so good about the Eachine? It's a bit bigger, it's a bit heavier. Well, simple. That there is a micro SD slot, so you can actually record your FPV footage straight to your card and upload it straight away without having to mess around with goggles and what have you. So that in itself is awesome. Okay, the buttons on the side here. So the top one, we have the channel automatic search. The middle one is the power on and also the record start, and the bottom one is frequency menu, etc. So just find the correct band. Okay, there we go. Pretty cool on-screen display. Double press of the power menu starts your recorder up, and as you can see, yeah, she looks pretty good. So let's do some recording onto the micro SD card and see exactly how the footage turns out. For this test, I'm just going to fly my trusty little UK65 indoor whoop. We'll go outside, because that's the sort of thing I do. Looking pretty neat and looking pretty handy. Let's go. What do you think, guys? Which one would you go for? SD card or no SD card? Drop me a comment. There we have it, gang. The Eachine RD200. Little portable FPV screen with built-in SD recording. Good stuff. Hopefully the picture turned out pretty well down there. Thumbs up if you like this video. Any questions, please ask. Smash that bell. Plenty more videos coming up of some new matchsticks and whoops and other Wi-Fi type drones, so stay tuned for them. And as always, thanks for dropping by, much appreciated. See you guys later up in the sky. Bye for now.